and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to the show. It is our great pleasure to be here today at Gypsy Fest to present to you our family circus, which features entertainment from around the world. But that's not all. It culminates in the death-defying Danger Show. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the Clan Tinker! And we shall begin our journey with juggling from the frigid lands of Russia! Hi. Hey, Elijah.
Huh?
What's your hurry?
I'm Russian. Again! Hurrah! Hooray!
Hey!
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the juggling portion of our show. So next for your entertainment...
Another ball!
But I said that it was time for...
Yay!
All right. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, there are literally 1,000 different variations of this 5-ball pattern. This is the one I know. Under the leg! Under the leg! Under the leg! Okay. 1, 2, 2.5, 3. She's trying to kill me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there are several ways to juggle 6 balls, one of which is known as multiplexing. That's a style of juggling where you throw 2 balls as one, and it looks a little like this. then there's the harder way, and that's where you juggle 3 balls separately in each hand, both at the same time. Ladies and gentlemen, I admit I am not the world's greatest 7-ball juggler. However, I am going to attempt this, so if I can throw these balls all up in the air and then catch them all, I expect you to break out in thunderous applause. But if I throw the balls up in the air and some of them fall to the ground, I expect you all to break out in thunderous applause. Something like that. Here we go, 7 balls. That wasn't it. That wasn't it. Here we go. Would you like to see me try to juggle 8 balls? I said, would you like to see me juggle 8 balls? That's what I wanted to hear. Let me get them all out here for you. You go. Yes, indeed. It's time now for the magic and mystery of 8-ball juggling! Right. They're 8 balls. Now, look here. You see... Nice dancing there, Rebecca.
Thanks. It's my rain dance.
Oh, I hope it doesn't work.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is my brother, Elijah!
My sister, Rebecca! Ladies and gentlemen, my sisters, Serendipity! And last but not least, Santiago!